Today, what I would like you to look at is the introduction part where it talks about the myth of the modern presidency. And so Nichols begins by talking about what the modern presidency is, and he goes through several things. So one of these, for example, is the president becomes involved in initiating and seeking congressional support for legislation. The president makes legislation through executive orders. The president has an extensive bureaucracy in the executive office. The office is personalized. And he goes and he gives several examples of who these people are. And so what I would like you to do is think about how the presidency has changed. And this whole concept of the modern presidency. Another term that we use to semi-describe this is a unilateral president. That's somebody who literally makes law, passes law, etc. by themselves. This huge creation and the power and taking more power in the presidency. And so chapter 2, after everything is defined in the introduction as to what the modern presidency is, chapter 1 talks about the history. And Nichols says this isn't new. In fact, he says it began with Jackson. Jackson was considered a modern president, although Jackson was back in the mid-1800s. FDR was certainly a modern president. Bush, Obama, Clinton, modern presidents. And so chapter 2, we've talked about the Constitution several times, but I want you to again look at the Constitution, what the Constitution says the president can do, and then currently what the president actually does, regardless of the Constitution. And this is not a Democrat versus Republican argument. This is just talking about the expansion of the office of the president. And both sides have done this. Okay, so thank you.